Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So I wanted to do what's in my bag segment. So I know a lot of you guys will be, we don't want to see what's in our bag. So I came up with an interesting idea. Things that every girl should have and must have in their handbags. I don't meant by the usual things like the wallet and like the usual things. I meant by the things like very unique and things that every girl must have in their handbags. So this is the bag I have been using for quite a while now. It's been 6 months or so and I have like the whole world inside it. This bag is like a Doraemon pocket to me. It's quite a heavy bag and it's from Louis Vuitton. The first thing I have in my bag is this pouch. So to have a pouch in your bag is an absolute essential and every girl must and should have a pouch in their bag. So basically what I have in this pouch is, I'll just show it to you. So it's full of medicine stuff which I have in this pouch, and these are really tiny medicines, and if I keep in this bag there is high possibilities that it will get lost in black hole and I'll never find it ever in my life. So what I do is, so the pouch which I use, it's a pretty old one, like it's been years that I have been using this pouch. So this has this little divider kind of thing. So what I do is I keep my medicine in one side, like all the medicines, like my general medicines and like headache medicines and all. And in other side I keep my makeup essentials, like I don't do a lot of makeup. So what I keep is, I keep this this is basically Garnier micellar water, but this is a bottle I got it from Miniso probably in their travel kit. So what I do is I pour some micellar water in this and I just drop it there. It's very handy. And the next thing I have inside this pouch is this lens solution, and this is a must-have for every one of you. The place where I stay, the summer is the hottest and the driest season of all. Summer is obviously the hottest, but it is as equal to as like the winter dry. So this is a lip balm. So the lip balm I use is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. So this is you can use any lip balm. This is a must have in any of the girls' handbag, because you girl going out. The next I have is a mini travel size perfume. This is from Chumbak in the fragrance Woodland Breeze, and in this heat you're going out, girl, and you're going to sweat, and who doesn't want to smell nice? The next essential thing I have is my favorite pair of sunglasses, which is Aldo sunglasses. I cannot, and nobody should go out in the heat without this pair of sunglasses. So this is my go-to sunglasses, and I have been using this for a year or so. This is what I use no matter how expensive, how branded, or how many sunglasses I have. This is the pair what I use and what I always keep in my bag. So do not go out in the sun without having a pair of sunglasses. The next I have is, guess what is this brick size and a brick weight thing is? A power bank. Thanks to today's phone that charge does not stay, or thanks to us that we are so busy with our phone that our phone just refused to keep charge. So this is a essential thing. And yes, if your mother calls you 10 times a day, then you must have this guy. So I use a MI charger. You can use any other brand. This is a must have. Okay, so the next thing I have is definitely, now it is the most essential thing out of all. It's a sanitizer. So please carry a sanitizer in your bag whenever you're going out. You're going to office, so now I guess offices are going to start. So wherever you're going, whenever you're going, just carry a mini sanitizer with you. It's even essential, even when you're cleaning your hand, it is very essential to clean your handles of the bag or the things you're touching. So please guys, keep a sanitizer. So the next thing we have is a bag of tissue. So I have a cleaning problem. I tend to clean every little itsy bitsy piece of dust I see anywhere air lying around. So for that, here it is. The next thing we have are my home keys, and another thing we have is another set of headache balm. Another important thing every girl should and must have in their bag is this, a clutcher. You can never ever have enough of this. You never know what your hair is going through the day, so it's just always opening up hair. Like, I rarely open my hair, but always opening up hair is not a good option, especially in this pollution and all. So this is a must have. Now coming to the last piece of thing that every girl must have, and at least I have in my handbag. It's basically this bag comes with a pouch inside. So what I have in this pouch is I tend to keep all the like go-to essentials. Yes, I have another set of tissue. And here, this is a very good thing from the Body Shop. It is a Fest Mist. So this summer, this is a savior, guys. What you just need to do, you just need to spray all around you and you're set for the day. This smells nice, this gives a very refreshing feeling, and you're done for the day. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys like. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.